Get a feel for the 2020 Audi Q3. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this handsome Audi Q3, the subcompact luxury crossover that offers a premium tech-savvy interior, standard all-wheel drive, and a high-spirited, agile ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, heated mirrors, alarm, heated front seat. Don't wait, or this impressive Q3 will be gone. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.